Hello sa Aces from Aklan. Hello, Donna. Oo nga, BGYM. Kami na po ang BGYM. BGYM stands for Becoming the Change, Going Further. You and I, my love. You and I, mwah. Sino nag-comment ng mwah? BGYM stands for Becoming the Change, Going Further. You and I, mwah. I think and fire. Grabe naman yan. Hello, Jello Chris from Isabela. Good night, JL. Gala pa kami bukas sa KCC Mall of Marbel. Wow. Ingat. Enjoy. Gusto ko talaga humor mo. Ako ayoko ng humor ko. Support Jelections. Thank you. Thank you, Ina. Hello sa Jelections. Hello, Marife. Yung asawa ko mas inuna pa ipa-premium flower na galing sa inyo kaysa pick namin sa kasal. Grabe. Hi, Mami Mayet. Hello sa Jelex Official. Thank you, mahal ko. Grabe naman yung username mo. JL, pwede ba kayo ma-invite sa kasal? Magpo-propose lang ako saglit. Grabe naman yun. Magpo-propose ka para lang ma-invite kami. Haircut? Yung haircut ko undercut lang. Tapos kayo na bahala sa length. Si Kuya Jaime lang yung nagugupit sa amin eh. Tapos ikaw na bahala kung anong style yung gusto mo. Trip ko may bangs ngayon. Bakit ba? Kumain ka na? Oo, kumain kami. Nagsamgyup kami. Busog na busog ako. Kala ko V-cut. Oo, burst fade. Ayaw mo magpakulay. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung color na babagay sa kulay ko. Gusto ko do. Saan si Jewel? Jewel, hinahanap ka. Mag-hi ka daw.
Hi, Aces.
Thank you, Jingle. Ikaw yung nandun sa Born to Shine. Opo, kami po yun. Kami ng BGYO. Yes. Gumanap po kami sa Born to Shine as BGYO. Hello Aces from Eastern Samar. Carlo Mochi. Bakit parang antok ka na? Lagi naman ako mukhang antok eh. Pero hindi pa ako antok. Baka nga una ba kayo antokin sa akin kasi nagre-reklamo kayo. 10 PM yung live ko. May pasok ba kayo bukas? Nadangon. Kantahin mo Sinta. Wait lang, i-open natin yung speaker. May pa-connect na ako nung yung phone mo.
Phone ko?
Wala eh.
Bluetooth mode.
Daan ka? The Bluetooth device. Hala, ayaw kumanik. Hindi yun. Hi Nicole, good night Avrilian. Nasa Japan ka ba now? Nakauwi na ako, kakauwi ko lang kanina. Kumakanta din si Tito. Di kumakanta ka din daw. Kumakanta yan.
Yun din.
Sa banyo.
Sa banyo daw.
Yan, nagpaparinig na yung ampol. May ehem na.
Order food you want.
Hala, hindi ka naka-premium, mi.
Walang Gcash eh.
Ikaw.
Search mo yun. Yung ano yung ko ginawa.
Hello, Olga Nikechi. Grabe naman yung name. Olga Nikechi. Okay lang kung di mapili ni Crush. At least napansin mo. Grabe namang trade yun.
Infatuated, I need your touch. I gotta have it, can't get enough. Like a fire burning, you're my sweet flame. Baby, when you call me, you can call me by your name. Di mo na kailangan pang sumahin ng pag-ibig. Oh, there's only one word that describes the way I'm feeling. Sinta, sinta, sinta. Sinta, sinta, sinta. Sinta, sinta, sinta. My love, my love. It's a lot of guys in the world, but you so different. Hands on you like a guitar. I rock and roll with it, me and you together a wave. I just roll with it. Yeah, I got money, but I pay them girls no attention. You're the only one, ice cold like a Capri, sweetheart. You be giving me cavities, charged up, give me energy like a battery. You work hard, they should've put you in a gallery. Di mo na kailangan pang sumahin ng pag-ibig. Oh, there's only one word that describes the way I'm feeling. Sinta, sinta, sinta. Sinta, sinta. sinta, my love, my love. Sinta, 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 my love, my love. Sumasayaw si Daddy. Brazil. Marunong mag-Brazilian dance si Daddy. Sintas, sintas, sintas daw.
Yan na.
Init.
Patingin daw.
Magugo ako dito eh.
Ano next? Forever Tonight. Forever Tonight.
Yung ano nga? Brasilia.
Brazil. Ano ba yan? Bakit hindi naka-premium?
Kailangan mo.
Like father, like son ba? Ganun na nga.
Ano yan?
Nagpa-Brazilian dance si Daddy.
Funny how the time give me a place to be I don't need another friend. You've been running in my head. Go better. Go, go, better. She's so fine and knows my mind. Go better. Better. She's so fine. Stay behind. Every day, so I say, please give me a dance. We can make it dance right. Don't stop, baby. Might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. Let me hold you. Let me get to know you. Come on, don't stop, baby.
Ano yun?
Sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight.
Meron, bakit?
Let's run it back, run it back.
Nasayaw ko na yan, post ko na ba? I-post mo na yan, Sheng. Dance challenge daw with Daddy. Forever Tonight. Palang ang gabi. Hindi ko magets yan. Ano yung di mo magets? We can make it last right. Hi Carl Zarate. What's up, Lods? Let me get to know ya. Don't stop, baby. It might sound crazy. We can stay forever tonight. Love to love to love to love to love you. Let's run it back, run it back. We can stop forever, forever tonight. We can stop forever, forever tonight. We could stop forever, forever tonight. We could stop forever, forever tonight. We can make it last right. Don't stop, we can stop forever tonight. Let me get to know ya. Don't stop, baby, it might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. To love, to love, to love, to love, to love you. Let's run it back, run it back. To love, to love, to love, to love you. Let's run it back, run it back. Ganda ng adlibs mo dyan. Thank you. Alam mo, sobrang hirap ng mga adlibs dun na pinagawa sa akin. Lalo na yun doon sa dulo. To love you. Paano nalimutan ko na?
Ding dong.